The DJI FPV Explorer Combo Goggles Integra provides an immersive flight experience with its super-wide 150 degrees field of view, ensuring an ultra-smooth, real-time view. The drone is capable of recording high-quality 4K video at 60 frames per second, capturing crisp details that make your footage as exhilarating as the flight itself. This product is compliant with the FAA Remote ID rule, making it a safe and legal choice for drone enthusiasts. The DJI FPV Explorer Combo is equipped with advanced safety features, such as an auxiliary bottom light, smart return to home, low battery return to home, and forward and downward obstacle sensing, providing a safe flight even at high speeds. The Ocusync 3.0 transmission system offers crystal clear, real-time, and high-definition low-latency transmission video, even at distances of up to 10 kilometers. The package includes the DJI FPV drone, DJI Goggles Integra, DJI FPV Remote Controller 2, and more, with the goggles Integra being ultra-comfortable and user-friendly with corrective lenses.